Atascocita-area home buyers, stop scrolling, because this one deserves your attention. Join me this Saturday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at 12227 Salt River Valley Lane in Humble, Texas for an open house. Whether you're actively shopping or just curious about what's in the area, come take a look for yourself. Can't make it but don't want to miss it? Drop a house emoji in the comments and I'll help you schedule your private tour.